Welcome to our channel. Today's sketch of an airplane and coloring. Drawing a big circle. Then draw the tail of the airplane. Draw the propeller on top of the airplane. Forward cockpit. Small window at the back of the plane. Draw a big eye. Eyelashes. Mouth. Aircraft rear tail. Establish summer vacation. Draw the shelf under the airplane first. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start stroking and building. The finish is great. Now let's get some color. Yellow, green. Blue. Rose. Red. Rose. Orange. Purple. Bright yellow. Purple. Rose. Our work is done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.